Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the hamster drinking bowl which I've made myself with my 3D printer, and it turned out that it was a real success. So how did the whole story actually start? I mean, my daughter bought a hamster a couple of months ago, and yeah, she had really problems to make her, or yeah, it's a she, her actually drink from the bottle. I mean, a lot of people are using these small bottles with this pipe and the metal bowl at the end, so they can drink and have always clean water. But our hamster didn't really get the point, and so we were fearing that she didn't drink enough water. So we tried a couple of things. First, we were looking for something like for hamster drinking bowl for hamster for a long time, and it was really difficult to find something, almost impossible. Either it was too small or too large. When it's too small, like we tried with cup, like the cap from like a filtered water bottle. They are a little bit larger than this size here. And the problem is that these are so light that hamster is turning this thing or flipping this thing upside down, and the hamster was always grabbing the thing here and then went away into a pipe or so, or just digging it somewhere where we couldn't find it anymore. So we figured we need something large. I mean, with large you have to be really careful. Everything, I would say, larger than 5 centimeters or so, this is what a lot of people are saying could be dangerous, that hamsters could drown. And so we try to make something in between. So that was my first shot, and it worked actually very well. It worked even for a couple of days, but the thing here inside is really super small. And then I tried something bigger here. Problem is, I tried without the glue. I thought, yeah, it's so large here, we don't need glue outside. And then it bent this thing up, and it was anyway, it was not nicely centered. So then this was my next attempt, and it turned out it was a really good success. The thing is, I applied glue. I mean, with the Cura, I selected the glue option. You can see you can really take this thing easily away, absolutely no problem. The problem is only outside. I mean, it's not like a sharp corner, but it's still a little bit uncomfortable, and you have to sand this a little bit. Here on top I have made it round. It's perfectly fine. There's absolutely nothing. Maybe here a couple of things which we have to remove, but apart from that, perfectly fine. And the really good thing is it's not so large that she can drown here inside, but it's still big enough that she has enough water for quite some time. And the good thing here is the area outside. She cannot flip it. I mean, it's absolutely impossible, or at least almost impossible, that she could flip it. And she also is not taking this thing anywhere. I mean, it's definitely too large, too heavy, and it's here like inside of the cage since a couple of days, and we had huge success. It's working great. It's always there. They were flipped or so, and she didn't take it away, and she is absolutely accepting the thing here. So for us it was a huge success, and I can highly recommend this thing. So maybe you can print this thing for you. I'll put down the link. I'll figure out where I can put that, like the online 3D model, so you can copy that, use that, print it for you. Of course, that's with some letters here. Probably I'm going to make a model which are without the letters, and it's a neutral thing, so you can just copy, use it, print it for you. If you don't have a 3D printer, I don't know what we can do. Maybe I could print it for you if you're interested into that. I don't know how much to ask. Yeah, maybe you could give me some idea about that if somebody's interested into that. Yeah, for us this is a really good solution. It works for us, and I hope it will work for you too. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, whatever you have, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.